Good morning, people. It's the David Reich Show. It's David here. Today, I just wanted to take a walk. I looked out the window. It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. As you can see, beautiful, beautiful clear skies. It's so sunny. You can see the grass, so green. You can see all the birds chirping. You can feel the gentle breeze on your skin. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful day. If you don't understand sarcasm, I can't help you, man. I'm in Toronto today. It's minus 15 degrees. I always wonder, the people who settled here in Canada, the first guys that came here, and I knew the indigenous people were here before, but before the Brits and the French came here, what were they thinking? They flew over, they didn't fly, they came on ships. And they sailed across the Atlantic, past sunny Africa with the animals and the safari. They passed the Nile and the Niger. They passed the Okavango. They saw all the ice here and they were like, guys, I think we found it. This is the one. This is where we live. This is where we settle. Look at all the icebergs. Yeah. This is it. This is the one. This is the one. This is the chosen one. Oh boy. Growing up as an African kid, I always saw all the Christmas movies, and the snow always looked nice. Talk about a white Christmas, and you see people making a snow angel in the snow, and it always looks nice on TV. I can tell you, it's a headache. I tell you, for free. Your joints are frozen. Your tears are frozen. Your beards are frozen. Everything is frozen. Some parts of your anatomy that can't even mention on YouTube. It's all frozen. Your desire is frozen. It gets dark at 4 p.m. Nobody wants to go out. It's all gloomy. Oh boy. Don't get me wrong. Canada. Hi. Canada in the summer is one of the most beautiful places you could ever be. I'm telling you, this is a great, great, fantastic country. I love the country. I love all the opportunities I've been given, to be able to live here, work here, build a new life here. It's a beautiful, great country. It's top 5 best countries in the world. I'm telling you. Quality of life. It's expensive though. Quality of life, security. If you have children, it's a great place to be. There's no utopia in the world, so it's not without its challenges, But every time it snows, you're just like, what the hell was I thinking? Just every now and then. Oh boy. You gotta clear your driveway or you're gonna be snowed in. You won't be able to get out until it melts. But even then, minus 15 is it's probably just average. and it's minus 15 Celsius. Yeah, minus 15 degrees Celsius or centigrade. I know if you're American, you guys are used to Fahrenheit, right? So, just gonna do a quick check. Minus 15 Fahrenheit will be about maybe 8 to 9 degrees. Yeah. Intense, eh? Oh boy. But it still feels good walking during a snowstorm. You're not going to sweat much, that's for sure. It's kind of good for cardio. You know? Yeah, minus 15 degrees Celsius is 5 degrees Fahrenheit. That is cold, man. You see this driveway? Yeah. If you don't shovel your snow quickly, you see that car cannot get out. He has to shovel. And if the snowplow comes one more time, then he's going to be trapped. Just like this guy. This guy has to do some digging before he can get out. Oh, poor thing. This person probably shoveled early, so this driveway is good. It's good to go. Driveway is good too. Yeah, these guys are probably come out of the house real quick and start shoveling. And it's still coming down. Just look at this heap. Oh boy. Fun times. It's gonna be raining, snowing down for I think the whole day. But if you're well dressed, you got these on, yeah, you're good. You're good to go. Winter Wonderland. I better go get my shovel. Guys, snow pants on, your winter boots, should be good. So if you still want to come to Canada, don't let this discourage you. It's a great country, beautiful, it's safe, one of the best people in the world. You know, there's a lot of work to do, regardless of what your profession is. People talk a lot online about jobs and all the challenges and difficulties and whatnot, but I think if you're hardworking, there's always something to do. You know, if you are creative, you're industrious, you're resourceful, you're gonna always find something to do. You're gonna get more work than you can do. And it's a good life here. If only there was some science to fix this ice, then it would be perfect. It would be #1 country in the world. It would be El Dorado, literally. But yeah, that's my video today. I'm done with my walk now. I'm gonna go throw myself into a load of hot water, have some tea, and hide until this is over. Okay, bye guys, see you in the next video. Yeah, go Canada. Let's go. Oh man. Who needs the gym? Huh? Who needs the gym? It's good for cardio, the biceps, your lower back, your wrists, your pecs, your abs. Who needs a gym? Who needs a gym? This part is the worst part because it's been compacted by the snow plow. Oh God. It's not the flaky ones, it's the ones with the chunks of ice. Heavy, sticky. It's like concrete. Oh yeah. That's the good one. Yeah, that's the one. There you go. This is the one that sucks. Oh boy. Enjoy. And that's life, guys. Seasons. You're young, you're old, you're rich, you're broke, you're happy, you're sad. 1 minute you're in Punta Cana, next minute you're shoveling gosh darn snow. And that's life. You have to enjoy both. Enjoy your seasons. That's what life is about. No one's getting out alive. Nobody survives this planet. So just enjoy. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy your snow. Enjoy your sun. Enjoy your deserts. Enjoy your oceans. Enjoy your rain, your monsoon, your typhoon. Just enjoy. You have life. Live. Shovel. Dig. Mow. Plow. Live. Okay, I think I've done enough living for today. I'm tired. Oh boy.